2017 Buick Cascada. With less than 23,000 miles on the odometer, this convertible gives its driver the full experience of freedom. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, heated rear seats, HID headlights, power driver seat, power passenger seat, convertible soft top, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, roll bars. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.